Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Oh, I forgot to actually let's... There. Hope y'all are doing good. Hello, I'm doing gaily, very good. Hello, Virtual Scallop, Lucille T, Ginny Long, and Non. It is wonderful to see y'all. So, it's Soul and Silicon time once again, and now that I have got, just now that GBS Toolkit is, actually, to my knowledge, effectively two-waying, which I still need to check on a couple things of it. From what I can tell, the last issue I can find with it is that it is sometimes crushing floating point numbers down to, it is sometimes crushing floating point numbers down to integers when it shouldn't be, but other than that, it's doing pretty damn well, I think. I still need to implement all the commands instead of using the fallback. I need to do some testing. Oh god, testing. That's gonna be fun. Ooh. Yeah, Jen Angst, thank you very much for subscribing at Tier 1 for 3 months. Thank you for continuing to use LMOS. Yeah. So, yeah, now that GBS Toolkit is, working, just about working, that, or at least to the point that I'm not gonna have to worry about, format changes anymore, I really want to work on some just general cleanup stuff to make it a lot nicer to do. So, how about we do that? If we... So... Oh, it's... Words. We're now that it's, actually, usable and I don't need to worry about, anything breaking, I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna do some writing tonight. I held a poll at the start of stream to see which date scene y'all would like me to work on, and, we got a tie between Jen and Quinn, so... What say I roll the dice? Unless anyone wants to, give me something convincing either way, I will give you, let's say, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just kidding, let's go. Alright, we're gonna be working on a cute date scene with Jen, with Jen, the local non-binary punk in the game, who already ran into at the junkyard and is gonna meet back there again. So, without further ado, how about we get going? So, quick refresher for those who haven't seen in a while. Soul and Silicon is a trans and queer dating simulator I am making with a few other folks for the Game Boy Color. Been a while since I've been here. Are you no longer using the voice mod? I have decided I don't really like using it with the faster talking speed I have when I have Adderall like I have tonight. I have to have Adderall because I'm ADHD as hell and it helps me focus, but I've just kind of noticed that on nights where I have it, I talk a lot faster, and that means I'm not really able to, be understood properly if I've got, this, super robotic voice, talking quick with the reverb and everything. It can kind of just muddy things up, and it isn't the best experience for, people to be able to hear it and everything. So, I've decided that, at least for the time being, I am not gonna have the modulator on when I have an Adderall night, which are my dev nights. Don't feel well tonight, so I'm happy to chill things tonight, yeah, this is gonna be a chill, cozy night. I hope we can help you feel better, Jen. You are very lovely and wonderful, and you deserve to feel good. Okay, I should probably, yeah, all things physical, not mental this time. Oh, still, yeah, I hope, you know, like just feeling physically sick can, like, still make you feel, like, mentally bad, so I want to keep you pepped up there, and also I just hope you get well soon. Any idea what it is? Yeah. Right, and anyway, accidental bwop. Let's make a new. Alright. Hey there, beautiful. Hello, Sammy. Wonderful to see you. Oh. Anyway, right, so. I'm trying to get myself sorted out here, so I'm gonna quickly just take a look over in DB Studio. So, what we've got so far with Jen's, like, discussion line is that you need some motors and shit, and best place to find them on a budget is the junkyard. But, sadly, you don't really find what you need, like, right away, but you do run into Jen. Let me pull up, like, their reference image, since I don't actually have, like, the sprite work for them yet. I should ask Boki about that. Well, I should check in on Boki mostly. Where is it? Still in Silicon. In dev. Where is? So, yeah, because, yeah, so, like, back at, like, the start of the project, I sketched out Picroos for all of the main characters. This is the one for Jen. They, they, them pronouns, fine with being called either a boy or a girl. They're just cool and punk and great. Yeah, I love them. Yeah, they are very cool. They seem mean, but are actually a total sweetheart to, like, people who deserve them being a total sweetheart. Yeah, yeah, they seem, like, gruff and kind of scary at first, but, like, that's not entirely their fault. Yeah, you know, I'm just gonna... Relatable, yeah. I love them, yeah, I thought you would, Jen. Yeah, hey. Yeah, like, just, you go to the junkyard, find something that looks like what you want, get kind of freaked out by Jen, and, yeah. You meet them, they actually are a lot chiller than it seems, and you go over to, Magic Eye Electronics. There is gonna be more to that scene where I haven't, or actually, oh wait, no, I should actually, Magic Eye, go there, yeah. Hello, how are you, kitty? Hello, Jinyu, great to see ya. I've actually set up, like, a decent amount of stuff in Magic Eye already. Let me actually quickly... You know what? I should probably, like, run the game, because it's been a while since I ran it, since I've been busy and dealing with a lot of shit since last time. Yeah, great students, well, big cutie. Hey, build and run. It lost its cache again! Hurry up, 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 hurry up! Cache out, one would say. Okay, then pull. Price have. No, I'm just gonna, like, quickly, you know, while I'm just I've been dealing with this for too fucking long. I'm just gonna, like... I can, like, make a lot of these window captures again when I need them. I don't need to, like, have, like... I don't do Minecraft on stream anymore. I don't really do FF14 on stream anymore, though I might again sometime. Who knows? Program is scared of dates. Don't be afraid, program. Don't need Decime until I show y'all how great Rocket Slime is. I need Parsec for the time being. I'm gonna be using that soon. I'm not gonna be using that soon. I really should just start using, like, video Rocket Slime is amazing. Wish I could find my copy. Yeah, oh, I love Rocket Slime. Yeah, sorry, I'm just doing a couple things in background quick. Psychonauts 2 I'm generally done with. Game Maker, don't care. Blender, oh god. I'll probably learn Blender on stream at some point, but I can just, like, close, like, I don't need all of these for now. Like, I can make him again when I do. Yeah, Terminal. I don't use that regularly. You're right, I don't use that regularly. Affinity, I do use regularly, so I can keep that around. Might be using Godot soon, not sure. Hacknet, I'll close that out for now. Again, I can just always remake all these. Alright. Alright, that makes a lot of Alright, that is clearing a lot of things out much better. And, yeah. Jet Set probably won't play again for at least a little while. I've got other things on my mind. But yeah. Now I can pop! Yeah. I'm just gonna quickly tab through to... all this stuff. Tons of, like, still debug stuff in here. Yeah. Just making sure I've done, like, tricky text box stuff, so... Oh, are you just printing... it is just printing out... I don't have anything, like, wired to it yet, do I? I absolutely do not! Excellent, okay. Should just check the object, but yeah. This is Magica Electronics. It's pretty cool. Pretty neat. I still wish there was something I could do to not make that, like, jitter when you walk across them, but that is gonna take some upgrades to GB Studios. Yeah, Spyro is interesting. But yeah. Yep, okay, so now that I remember that there's just nothing there, doesn't super matter. But yeah, so, like, we're gonna continue on with, like, this at some point, and I also, like, want to write a date scene for Erdine Jan over here. That sounds fun. Ah. Okay. And, yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's figure something out. So, I'm going, like, it will generally need, or, let me open up the, under comment true, okay, yeah, I'm just gonna, I'm not doing it again, where do I even, the GitHub. I'm just gonna write a couple to-do issues for myself. currently the universal comment field in event argument in events is not acknowledged, preserved either way when converting projects. This needs to be fix me before release. Then there's another thing. Alright, so another comment was one. Yeah, testing. I really need, currently the only testing I have in, way I can, aren't any unit tests or test toolkit. Make sure, to implement these, I need a project that can hit most, if not all, edge cases in the GBS. Most, or as that uses every event in GBS at least once. Project uses every event and option in GB Studio at least once, that as well as something to check order agnostic JSON diff content diff. This should be this is necessary before release, so I don't put out something broken. There. I just logged a few issues for GBS Toolkit that I'm not gonna deal with tonight, because that's not what I want to do tonight, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do some writing. I'm gonna do some, just gonna have a cozy time. Gonna write some cute stuff. Gonna be nice and comfy. So, using to-dos to avoid being nerd sniped. Yeah, it's just like, previously I completely forgot that I could just like file GitHub issues instead of like having to write them into the, like, instead of having to write them in the project code, which made me look at the code and go, oh wait, I can do this now. I shouldn't do that! That's not good for, like, actual, like, getting stuff done. Okay, what am I trying to... So, do I have the flowchart up still? I do. Is Lucid Chart still, like, visible? Oh, wow. Okay, so. Oh, right, yeah, that's... So, remember how I said I'm gonna work on gens tonight? About that, I need to just quickly pull up Edge and... Alright, Edge is above GB Studio, forgot about that. So yeah, I've got the flowchart, which basically just, has all this. It's got, like, the plans for, like, very, very, very rough plans. Yeah, Uflo, yeah. Incredibly rough plans for, like, each of the routes. And, of course, you can do all the routes in a single playthrough. But yeah. So... I just remembered that I actually never, like, decided what, like, the big factor in Jen's route is gonna be. Because, like, I know what it is with Quinn's, is that, like, you're gonna, like, check out the books and such, and do things about that. But yeah, and then, yeah. Yeah. And then, of course, Sasha already loves you unconditionally because Sasha is a golden fucking retriever. But yeah, I need to actually, like, decide what this, like, inflection point's gonna be. I might need to, like, write a bit more of Jen's stuff for it, but yeah, And, like, there can be, like, a couple inflection points as well. These are just, like, general, like, large-scale, like, turning points of, like, hey, what sparks this? Yeah, so I don't actually know what I'm gonna do with Jen's character arc still. That's not great. Bit of an issue, you know? Might be something I kinda need to fix. So, yeah. Ryder, that's pretty normal. Yeah, just, like, I want to have at least some plan of what it's gonna be, and I'm trying to figure out, like, what would work for, like, Jen's character. Like, I do have some other stuff with Jen, like, written. It is, like, let me just pull it up real quick. I'm gonna hide, where is it? Where is it? Gotta be something about presentation, correct? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, let me... Let me just pull up this quick. Is there a way to, like... Just checking, I can't see anything, like... Yeah. Can't see anything, like, important here, but yeah, oh wait, no, I can also just, like... I'm gonna link this in the chat quick. Yeah, and then I'm also gonna pull it up here. So, a little while back, I wrote another short story titled Found Family Reunion. It's on Twitter, it's on Patreon. I am very happy with it. It is, yeah, it is about Jen going to meet a friend in Uplink City, and it is just, like, small and cozy and good, and it's just I'm honestly incredibly happy with this story. And yeah, it's just a really cute, good story. It does a bit more for Jen's character as well, and yeah, y'all should give it a read sometime, if you can. Yeah, Yeah, I'm gonna... Yeah. Okay. Let's see, so... Okay. So, like, something with presentation, so... yeah. Could be something involving clothes shopping, piercings, hair, yeah. Yeah, no, that's kind of what I was, like, thinking something along the lines of. Like, just, one big, like, issue with, like, working with, like, a Game Boy for this stuff is, let me just, like, for example, like, I'm just gonna pull up an example, menu. Like, just, you've got, like, there are two types of menu in the game. There are dialogue menus, and there are, like, menus. Dialogue menus, how many options can you have? Oh, a lot of them, okay. You know, either. I actually... just shooting out ideas, yeah. I think that is, like, on the right track. I actually want to see, like, what this looks like. I really want to see what this looks like. This is gonna be hilarious. So, in dialogue mode, I want to see what 8 option looks like for dialogue mode, because I've only, like, seen a lot of options in menu mode previously, so, where is... there? Alright. I just need to see how this looks, so we're gonna go do that. Heading off to the right. Ah, I see. It just put... alright. Not sure I like that UI flow, but I don't know what I can do about it. Basically, if you try... so, like, instead of... so, like, you can go up and down and left and right, and, like, it wraps around when you go up or down, but not when you go left or right. So, like, if I click right here, and then if I hit right again, you would think that it would go over to no, but it actually just defaults to the end, because instead of being ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which, interesting, but, like, just, I would do it differently. Oh well. Yeah, that is interesting to see how that works. And quickly checking. If I only have 4 options... It still only limits you to 5? No, it still only limits you to 6 hours? Hello, Lime Green, great to see. Yeah, nice to meet you. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, it does seem like you can have, like, a lot of options, luckily. Just weird that the character limit is so tight. Anyway, yeah, I think, like, yeah. I think clothing sounds like a good option. Yeah, like, Jen can, like, bring it up in dialogue, and then, yeah. I can't wait I really can't wait for the text update. It's gonna make a lot of things just a lot less nightmarish. Got a hard candy cinnamon to sell in my stomach and I can't open it. Oh no! Oh, that sucks! Okay, so, yeah. Ooh, I have an idea. So, like, I've got this inventory view. So, something I've kind of, like, retroactively decided is that, like, this game is set in, like, the same world as, like, my uplink one, so that is going to be yeah, so that means it is set, like, it is set on the outskirts of Uplink City. So yeah, I just had an idea. And this is, like, related. Going to secondhand clothing stores is also pretty common trans experiences as well, yeah. I'm thinking that that's, like, I think that is definitely gonna end up being at 7 stars. I actually, like, a little while ago, remembered, like, yeah. Let me actually, like, pull up, where did I put that? Is here? Yeah. Trying to... There it is. Or is... Yeah. Love this kind of art style so much, reminds me of the Game Boy Color. Oh yeah! No, it is actually gonna be on the Game Boy Color. Color scheme is gonna love it, yeah. It is, like, literally, this is a Game Boy Color ROM. I've got earlier build of this on my IRL Game Boy Color. It's great. Yeah, so something I explained, like, back when I, like, first started this whole project is that the initial idea I had for Soul and Silicon came from a dream I had, quite literally. And, like, a couple weeks back, while I was just, like, working through some just emotional stuff from everything that happened, I remembered, like, in intricate detail what happened in that dream, and it was just like, you know, like, just, I did remember to write it all down, at least, so, like, now that, like, the memory has faded a bit, I am, yeah, like, now, even though the memory is, like, faded a bit, I am now just, like, I've got it on record. I'm gonna, you know, I'm just gonna, yeah, I found it in, like, the can't even wrap my head around how to make a game for a Game Boy Color in 2021. Don't worry, I can't either. That's why I'm using something that makes it for me. Yeah, like, what I'm using here is GB Studio. Let me link it. It is a no-code, like, environment to make Game Boy games and stuff. There's been a ton of really, really cute games made for it. Let me actually pull up one of my favorites just to signal boost it, because it's great. There it is. Yeah, this is by a cool person. Yeah, a cool person. Oh, it's playing in the background, right? This game. Yeah, I found a game by a cool person in the GB Studio development, or, like, GB Studio Discord, and yeah, and it's really cute, and I had a lot of fun with it. It was like a cute little game jam game titled Eurivania by Mix Ashlyn, and it's just really cute. It's really cute. Like, I highly recommend y'all check it out. It is, oh, it's just adorable. It is made entirely in GB Studio. It runs on a real Game Boy Color. It's great. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like, GB Studio is really easy to make games in. I am making a type of game that is not, like, super friendly to to the Game Boy as a platform. How much text is in, Pokemon Red? Yeah. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, oh wow. Yeah. There is a, like, just the, like, the Game Boy is not the friendliest environment to, like, write a very text and narrative heavy game in. It is difficult, especially with, like, limitations of the current version where you can only have, 16 or 18, like, letters, or, letters, spaces, like, punctuation, any sort of character per line. They are working on an upgrade to that, but it is not ready yet. Yeah, I am anxiously waiting when it is so that I can do some cool stuff. But yeah, yeah. Yeah, I am hoping that it will, like, just, there's a lot of pretty heavy limitations on, like, what you can do on a Game Boy. I am doing my best to work around, like, work with them and everything, but we'll just have to see how it goes. I don't know if Squidlet was made this way, but that game also has Game Boy aesthetic, yeah, Squidlet was, if I recall, not Squidlet is not actually a Game Boy game. It is, it is visually within the limitations, but it is like a native game for, like, Windows and Switch and such. It is very, very cute, though, and I definitely want to play it sometime. It is just, its aesthetic is delightful. Yeah, yeah, it's cool, yeah. GB Studio is very cool and nice, and yeah. Anyway, what I wanted to say before I went on that quick tangent is, like, I remembered and recorded the, like, details of that, like, original, like, literal, actual dream I had that inspired Soul and Silicon, this whole project I'm working on. Quoting from my logs of it, I was walking back home through a busy part of town, and in a back alley, I noticed a record shop. I went in, and at that point, like, the camera of the dream was kind of fixed in a position at the back of the shop. It was full of punk and goth stuff, with boxes of records all over the ground, lots of wood paneling, and while I was looking around, I found a robot. There were some boxes and a table between it and the door, and the register was just to the right of where I was standing when facing the door. I crouched down and checked the robot out. I powered it back, up, and, like, got it to start communicating. And the cashier came over to me and warned me to not interact with it. It was sealed in, like, the way you would think of, like, sealing a demon or such, and they said that, if I let it out, it would turn me into a robot, and I basically just went, okay, and snuck it out later that night. And that, like, that dream was basically what inspired Soul and Silicon. It looks like they followed the general rules of Game Boy limitations, but didn't actually make it work on the Game Boy itself, yeah. another game with, like, a very, like, SNES or Game Boy style that I recommend y'all check out is Pedal Crash! Because Pedal Crash is great, just so cute. So cute. It's a really interesting puzzle game. It's on sale right now. It's got online play. It's good. Y'all should take a look at it. I recommend it. Yeah. Pedal Crash is great. Yeah. I should play Pedal Crash again sometime. Yeah, like, just that dream is kind of like what started this whole project, and I'm really happy with it. You know, like, really happy with how far it's come. Another game dev friend I met recently talked about Pedal Crash some recently. Yeah, it's a good game. Main Construct 3, which is a pretty interesting engine as well, huh? Alright, yeah, I might look at Construct 3 sometime. It is JavaScript, but... oh well. Yeah. I have opinions on JavaScript and have, like just working with the back-end stuff of GB Studio to get GBS Toolkit working has kinda solidified a lot of those opinions I have on JavaScript. Yeah, game idea certainly sounds interesting. Thank you, yeah, first. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely really happy with how it's been going. Definitely gonna, like, do more stuff with it. Let's unlock them. Thank you for the hydrate, Jude! I should... What? 7 o'clock, okay, yeah, so... 2 hours. It's gonna be like an RPG, yeah! Hydrate posture check, yeah! Thank you, Jude and Jen. By the way, good to see you, Jude, yeah. Entire interface for it is a web app. Used to use its own scripting language. Recently switched to JS, yeah. If it did WASM and I could, like, do, like, more languages with it, I might look at it. Definitely more looking at Godot recently, though. Yeah, Oh, and Bwops! Hi, Sleepy Beeps today, yeah, very understandable, yeah. Today's just kind of been a low-energy day for me, too. Yeah. Yeah, no, Soul and Silicon is kind of like an RPG dating sim-ish thing, where, like, because, like, text is difficult with the framework and everything. Thank you for the stretch, Shinyu. Just because text is, like, difficult with, with, GB Studio right now. Yeah, or, like, just generally is just not at, like, you can definitely do a lot of text-heavy stuff, but we're waiting on some, big updates coming in V3 that will make, text stuff a lot less painful. Hope you're enjoying the rest of it, Jude. Yeah, hope you enjoy it, Jude. And, yeah, yeah. Words. Ah. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out words right now, sorry. But yeah, just, like, generally, yeah, like, it is, like, difficult working with, like, tons of text and, like, dialogue options and such, so I am going to be doing a lot of stuff where, like, your actions speak louder than your words. That's kind of, like, what started that whole tangent there. So, like, just what you do is more important than what you say, generally. And yeah, so I should actually, do some quick things. So... Yeah. Yeah, so... Yeah, drugs and cops make everyone love you. There are gonna be no cops in this game, actually. Yeah. Yeah, like, just, I think... Yeah, like, like, just with identity from presentation, I think, like... Yeah, There, yeah. I think it's gonna be... Yeah, so, like, I think, like, one of the, like, main inflections with Jen will be, like, getting them, like, clothes or something. But yeah, yeah, like, just, Jen will probably mention in this one that I'm gonna write tonight. Yeah, like, I've been, like, yeah, wanting to check out some new stuff for a little while, or whatever. Yeah. Then that'll, like, lead to some, yeah, even better. Yeah, yeah, I think I should probably just start writing this, so why don't we tab over to Adam so I can do that? I really wish I had, like, a syntax highlighter for model here, but oh well. Yeah, other idea I had, I kind of want there to be, like, a phone interface or such. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, like, instead of just, like, having the stuff that's written on a phone in brackets, there'll be, like, a phone UI or whatever. I think that'd be good. Okay, so... Yeah. Let's see. And, yeah, let's... How is this thing gonna start? So, like, just... Oh. Hey. So, I'm just gonna say, like... So, yeah, text, messages... Hey. You wanna... Oh. Right, I need to have, like, a... There. Okay. Junkyard... Ah! Yeah, check for some art again today. Too long. Arts again today. Meet me at the junkyard if you have time. Alright? There. There. Oh, this should... Or actually, no, this is gonna be, Wait, no, scripts, Gen Chat, yeah. This goes over in Gen Chat, so... There. Go to... Yep. Yep. Go to junkyard. Right. then, yeah. Yeah, then there's gonna be, like, this part of, like, the talk and such, so... Oh, I did write a shit ton of this stuff, wow. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Gonna go lie down, I think. Might be back later. Yeah. Yeah. Jen, definitely rest. You really deserve it. Take care of yourself, okay? Right, so... Alright, thank you so much, yeah! Okay, so... Go junkyard, dialogue, and neutral... Hey, there. Hey. Your day been alright? One character. Right? Your day been so far? Right? Hey, how's your day been so far? For now. Good to... Yeah, that's safe because the start quote. See ya. Yeah. Again. Hey, good to see you again. How's been so far? How's your day been so far? There. And... dash. Good to see you again. Dialogue. Parity neutral. Oh, wait, this is like a divergent point. If flag you know, oh boy, there's a couple states this could be in. Yeah, there's like 3 states this could be in. Have I done like any of the... not written any of those out yet? Let me quickly just... because I'm gonna like writing out a bit of like the logic here too. Math functions. So... is there no, like... compare... yeah, let me check, so... add clear, deck ink, math, set flags... set all, yeah, empty, compare with variable... Rift Valley, yeah, there's some... This is, Let me... It's like for a good reason? Let me... Yeah, let me check something real quick. So, what? Oh, it's 8080. It's 8080. Ink deck, yeah, ink stacks. Yeah, they're so yellow, 8 bits, yeah, and yeah. Yeah, there's bitwise ands and ors. Why are those not? Okay. Huh. That like a known thing? There's no, like... Yeah, there's no, like... Yeah, like, there's no events in GB Studio for, like, bitwise and or whatever. Like, no, like, bitwise math at all, like, Is there? Yeah, like... Maybe that's too close to effectively coding? Yeah, but like... Yeah, but like... Still, that would be like very helpful, Let me... What are you trying to do bitwise? Because I'm doing, so like, just generally with like flags and such, with all the like events, so like every character has like, a list of like flags for like their events and everything, and I currently don't have right now there's not really any way to, I would need to use, like, nested and, or, like, what I want to do is do a bitwise and of, like, two variables, basically. Or bitwise, or, yeah. Yeah, basically, I'm just gonna write it out in Atom, so, Atom. So, like, just, basically, what's gonna happen here is, like, so, asking how's your day been so far, so there are 4 possible states. There is 1, first event of the day. 2 is seen, Quinn, just seen Quinn, second event, seen Quinn, second event, seen Sasha, and, third event. Yeah, like, those are like the 4 possible things for like the day, or like, this is, yeah, because you'll like be meeting all 3 on this day, you'll like, this will either be your first event of the day, or it'll be your second event and you've only seen Quinn, your second event and you've only seen Sasha, or your third event of the day and you've seen both Quinn and Sasha. And the best way to check for that, because there would be a, yeah, so... And... yeah, so, like, just let's say that, like, the least... So, let's say, like, yeah, because each variable is 8 bits, and you can set them up as 1-bit flags, I want to, like, basically just, because Quinn and Sasha are both here, yeah, because Quinn and Sasha both have their own flag booleans, I want, yeah, and each of them is going to have, like, a bit, let's just call it the least significant for now, or yeah, no. No, like, let's just say, like, these are their, like, bits for the, for their events for that day. I want to be able to, like, determine what, event is gonna go on by, yeah, by these flags. So, like, just, I want to basically do, like, a bitwise bitwise order of, yeah, Sasha and Quinn's flags, but there's not really a way to do that right now, so I'm just gonna have to work around, so... yeah. Yep, then... if flag... say to Sasha... ink... 2... then... yeah. Yeah, then basically, after that, switch. And I should, like, make variable names a bit more friendly at least. I will see what I can do about that with, like, name-util and everything, but yeah. So... yeah. Let me just, yeah, oh, this is gonna be interesting to do. Okay, so... yeah, I think for... yeah, I have an idea of what I'm gonna do with this for, if I haven't already done switch. I don't think I've done, like, a switch for flow control yet, so... I have not yet, but I'm gonna soon, but yeah. Yeah, like... yeah, basically just gonna... yeah. Do all this, yeah, this'll be interesting to do for, like, children and such, but I can handle it, but yeah. Doesn't matter tonight, but yeah, basically... trying to figure out what I should format this as. Yeah. So, case... oh... oh... Yeah, does it always have the under collapses? Wow, okay. Yeah, then... Alright, yeah. So yeah, basically, now that I've got this, so... Yeah, there is just, false, yeah, so... Alright, so... This is... Then, case 1... Only seen Quinn so far. Case 2... Only seen Sasha so far, and case 3, only seen both Quinn and Sasha. Yeah, now I can have, like, branching dialogue stuff, yay! Alright, yeah. Then... Dialogue, parody, neutral. Not much, really. Yeah, yeah, no, I'm gonna have a dialogue. Parody, neutral. It's been pretty... yeah, that's good. Alright, so far... Haven't really done anything yet. Yeah, haven't really done anything yet. Alright. Dialogue. Parody neutral. Met a friend at the library earlier. Ah. There. Dialogue. Parody. Neutral. Went to the park. A friend. Oh. This morning. Right, yeah, then... Dialogue, parody, neutral. Met up with a couple other... Yeah. Anything? Actually, no, wait. If I go back... Ah! Wait, no, right, because the beginning quote. Alright, perfect. I haven't really done anything yet, yeah. My friend at the library earlier. Yeah, this one I think I have to keep like that, but yeah. Hung out with a couple friends. Hang out with a couple friends. Alright, yeah. Yeah, alright, this is actually working really well, yeah. No, it's tough. Yeah. Couple friends, yeah. Okay. And Gensha. Then dialogue. Then neutral. Sounds pretty. No. Nice. Sounds pretty chill. Right. Right, yeah, then. Honestly, go tab, then dialogue, then neutral. Ah. Ha! Yeah, I am really glad I'm managing to, like, figure this out. Okay, then. You know, I'm also just gonna quickly, like, log down, like, the syntax I'm figuring out for switches, so... Switch, syntax... Switch... Bar... Case... Let me see, yeah. Yeah, I'm just, like, noting this down. Events. Case. Number. Value. List of events. Default. Of events. Oh. True 1. False. Collapse equals true. Yep, gonna take some fancy weird messing around with nodes. But it should work just fine. Let me quickly just one more thing. I really wish there was a way to go up in this search bar. So yeah, it will like... Yeah, we can assume choices and fill. Yeah. And fill in default values for unused ones, so this may break. This might break expectations. To figure out. All right. There. Alright, just filing another issue with GBS Toolkit, because I'm not actually putting this into game just yet, though I can probably just copy this one by hand for the build, but yeah. Yeah. Met up with a friend at the library earlier. Neat. Yeah. Yeah, studying course. Yeah. Oh, neat. Event. Oh, too long. Ah. Haven't been there. In ages. I can't wait for the text overhaul. I really can't wait for the text overhaul. Been in ages. Something? Or just hanging out? dialogue. I want this to be just out, but it's one care too long. The 3 can't get here fast enough. Operation on Vic. It doesn't look like there are any ways to fit on and logic on variables right now. Is that the sure? Engine right now. Yeah, asked a quick question in the GB Studio Discord. Yeah, that should be tabbed in. Then dialogue and neutral. The 1 over magic eye. I spend a night there every often. There. A night or two there every so often. Then dialogue. I'm gonna dialogue arity neutral. Trying to pick out words is tough when my mind is like running at like kinda like 2 different clock speeds right now. Yeah, let me quickly check something. Oh! Huh. Ooh, apparently in V3, variables will be 16-bit? Huh. Oh yeah, have a good time. Yeah. Apparently, variables are going to 16-bit for V3. Didn't know that, actually. Let me just check some stuff. Whip by default? Yeah, yeah, oh! Sounds like there'd be a decent amount of performance overhead to that. Yeah, surprise. Well, no. Actually, fun fact. Let me. I had this open. Where was it? Oh, did I override it with another tab or something? Where is it? Yeah, yeah, we'll see. Let me just quickly check, so. 16-bit arithmetic. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's actually, yeah, like, looking at stuff, yeah, it looks like there are a few, like, 16-bit, arithmetic logic, yeah, or actually, wait. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, looking over, like, the instruction set, it is actually not that intensive? Yeah, reading a blog post of this, this is in the GB Studio Discord. I was just, yeah. Yeah, this was, yeah, one of the moderators told me. Looking over, like, the, LR35902 instruction set, it does look like, it does seem that there are at least, yeah, like, dedicated opcodes for, like, 16-bit add, yeah, 16-bit add, yeah, adds and decks, yeah. Takes more time to load those registers if you always load 2 of them. Only by 4 cycles is the interesting thing. Yeah, like, just, yeah, like, there are some 16-bit load store moves, and they only take 12, yeah, they only take 12 cycles. Yeah. Oh, also apparently they're also all signed. Okay. Thank you for the Hydra Jude. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much all there isn't with. Yeah. 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 There's been a lot of talk about it. There's like a dedicated chat to um chat for like V3 stuff, and a couple things like there. Yeah, it does look. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, it does seem like they are just switching all to signed 16 bits just because the overhead is not that bad with like all the other stuff that GB Studio does. Just like um this is only variables that in like user space. This is not, or like in like the wrapped stuff. So stuff at lower level is still just gonna like do 8 bits. This is only for like operations done in like the event code that is all 16 bits and such. That makes sense then. Yeah, let me see if I can like also like link you to the GB Studio Discord. Let me find that real quick. Yeah, like this is only about variables for the yeah, like all variables 16-bit is specifically for like variables in their DSL. Yeah, sounds fun to peruse. Yeah, yeah, there's a lot of cool folks there. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Okay, so ah. So yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm excited for V3. It is still very alpha. I'm not gonna try and use it until it's stable. Yeah, it's cool. Ah. Yeah, I really like GB Studio. There are like a couple things I wish that it could do a bit better, but yeah, like there's just like it hits. Yeah, there does get to a point where there's just not much you can. Yeah. Yeah, there's just kind of like some limits that you can't really work past unless you're doing some really fancy stuff that doesn't work as well if you're like in an abstracted environment. But yeah, I'm still gonna like see if I can like get some of the things I want to do working. But yeah. Anyway, yeah. Ah. Yeah, back to this, so. Yeah. Oh. See, so. Got sponsors there, yeah. And case 3. Oh, not you. Dialogue. General. I'm gonna have... Sounds like you... It's been a busy day for you, then. Dialogue... Or... No. Still got... the... battery to... Yeah. Hang out for a bit? Alright, yeah. Up, there. Ah. Yeah, perfect, yeah. Alright. I'm kind of like just... Yeah, just rotating through these. Yeah, just... to, like, give them kind of equal attention, and my brain's just kind of working better like that right now, I don't know. So... Analog... Parity... Neutral... It is, but it's also nice to and do stuff. It is, but it's also nice to go and do stuff. And dialogue and neutral. I get that, yeah. Dialogue, parity, parity, neutral. Yeah. Ooh, apparently, another thing I just noticed is apparently they're gonna have RTC in V3. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, very cool, very cool. Yeah, like, yeah, like, that would be pretty interesting. Like, I can think of things I would use for that, but yeah. Ooh. Would it require the cart? How's that work on a flash cart? I'm pretty sure like some flash carts do RTC. Yeah, no, like, you know, there are definitely some like, yeah, like you can get like reprogrammable like flash, or like you can get like single game flash carts or like F-Drive stuff. Yeah, I guess that would make sense. Yeah. EverDrive, Game Boy Color. Like, let me check the EverDrive. I could have sworn. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does have. Oh wait, no, like the And, like, the EverDrive actually has an RTC in it for, like, a multi-game cart. Yeah. So any flash cart that supported those would need one, yeah. Yeah, like, just the EverDrive X7 has, yeah, like, the EverDrive X7 has an RTC. Yeah. Yeah, let me check some... Yeah, there is, like, a public roadmap. Let me check, so... Now I kind of want to make an Animal Crossing DMX for GBC. Ooh. Huh. Yeah, there are a couple things I should probably do for GBS Toolkit. I'm gonna put like a roadmap. Yeah, roadmap, plugins, and GB Studio plugins and better engine support. Let me actually check something quick, just in the background, as usual. Like, checked engine. Let me just. I want to JSON. What does this look like? Okay. Alright, this is actually, Huh. This is actually, like, would be pretty... So... Alright. Ooh, alright, so... This is actually, the engine JSON, which defines, like, the fields and everything. I should probably be using this for, like, the, yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna, like, roadmap, better, yeah, custom events and engine, yeah, plugin support, or... Just gonna write this out quick. 50, okay, I've still got plenty of time. I kind of want to... Oh, I read that already, yeah. Yeah, just like, this engine JSON is actually, like, pretty helpful, so... Like, it tells me, like, all the types and everything. Yeah, so, Huh. Yeah, I might, like, see if I can do something with, like, all this, so, yeah. Yeah, so, like, engine, like, is just, like, a... Right, the engine is just, like, the... Yeah, all this, okay, yeah. There are, like, apparently custom engines and such, but yeah, I'm just gonna say... Custom events and engines. Right now, everything in GB Studio is pretty... Yeah. Or no, in GBS Toolkit is assuming a standard install with no plugins or changes to the engine. Yeah, there should... Yeah, if possible, there should be a way to uh, so, yeah, support, yeah, third-party plugins and engine fields without the plugin engine devs having to write Python bridge code. Fallback can work for most custom. It can theoretically work for most custom events, but I don't have anything for something that provides different engine fields. Would, yeah, so Slim it might help him. So I might limit might work for grabbing fields out of events automatically, but that feels excessive for what is effectively grabbing a hopefully static export. Like, I'm just writing like an issue log in the background. Custom. The only real issue with engine fields is that GBS toolkit changes, converts the names into a more readable format based on on purely my own personal preference. I'll need to look at custom engines to see if there's anything I should keep in mind for a more dynamic system. This may also require being a location to define, pull plugins from, or this may also require specifying a location to load plugins from on the GBS toolkit side. Alright, filed that issue just because it's gonna be like a bit of a thing. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so now that I've done that tangent, because I like tangents when I'm medicated. He was... How to design circuits. Teaching how to design circuits. Alright, yeah, this is gonna be... We chatted about a couple other things too. Chatted about... Alright, then I can pull it, tab, nope, just one tab, and tab that. Dialogue, gen, neutral. This is gonna be a lot less painful to write once it is, like, just easier to... Yeah. It's gonna be a lot less painful to write when I don't have to worry about, like, very strict per-line character limits. Yeah, I think at that point, like, just... when V3 comes around, I'm gonna have to do a lot of interesting stuff for fonts and the auto line breaks and such, which should make things a lot better, honestly. Yeah, here we gonna grab dinner, okay? Oh yeah, they're doing a thing in my Discord, okay, yeah, so... Sounds fun. Right. Sounds like you've been hard at work. Work on all this. Sounds like you're hard at work on all this, yeah. That's too long. Sound like you're working hard on all this. Still too long, yeah. lot of things to do for this project. Huh. Ah! Sounds like you have a lot for all this. Don't push yourself too hard. Okay? And pull it, up. Push yourself. And over here, yeah. So and alright, so then what should I trying to figure out what Arity should reply here. Don't know if my match guy, you mean? Spend a night or two. Spend a night or two there every so often. It does seem like a like a nice place. Like a nice place to sleep. Nice place to like it'd be nice. Trying to I don't like the way that's worded. Yeah, a really cozy place. Yeah. Cozy. Hang out in. That's nice and cozy to hang out in. Yeah. Log. Then. Well. Yeah. And I don't worry about cops waking me up. yeah, no, never really hit the place either. And cops never really hit the place either. Alright, yeah. And case 3. Dialogue. Arity neutral. Yeah. Still got plenty of charge. Me. Yeah. I still got plenty of charge today. I think I might even have more acid and the change. Yeah. I think I have been more more capacity than before, even. I think I have even more. I think I have more capacity than before. Yeah. Changed. Yeah. Still got plenty of charge today. I think I have more capacity than pre-change. Dialogue. New. Oh. Lucky. Maybe I should try getting her. Yeah. Turning into a robot sometime. Maybe I should. Oh, lucky. Right. No. No. There. Alright, so there's that, like, whole tree wrapped up. And Hello, what are you making? Hello, Argentine Studio TRNG. Yeah, I am currently doing some writing stuff for words. Come on, clock, spin up. Solid Silicon, queer and trans dating simulator. I'm writing for the Game Boy Color. It's cool. It's neat. I am enjoying working on it, and it's nice. Yeah. 812. Okay. Ah. Yeah. I am... Yeah. Nice, yeah. I am really happy with the progress I've made on it so far. Working on just getting as much of it done as I can. Doing some writing for the first time in a while. Figured out some, like, fancy, like, dialogue, like, dynamic dialogue stuff. Yeah. Dialogue. And... oh. Neutral. Anyway. You still... ah. Anyway. You still need parts, yeah? A couple of servos won't get you far. Aren't enough for a bomb. Just a couple servos won't really get you too far. Yeah. Well, you still need some parts. Yeah, just a couple servos won't get you too far. Alright. Then dialogue, narrating, all. Yeah, there's still amount of stuff I need. Yeah, there's still a lot of stuff I need. Sensors. And words. Oh yeah, no. Are the big category right now. Sensors is the big category right now. Cameras. Human like body. Yeah. RGNTN Studio, TRNC, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the network. Body needs a lot of input to work. Then one character too far. Wish I could stop worrying about this, but like, V3 is still a while off. Trying to... Yeah. Yeah, that'll work, yeah. Needs tons of... Biped body needs tons of input to work. Sight, sound, balance, motion. Yeah, sight, sound, balance, motion. Balance, touch, temperature. Do I have an ellipsis system? Yeah. Let me just check something real. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I had to like send a message to a friend real quick. Tabs. No, let me... I just realized I need to do some stuff quick because... So... just have to go back and re-indent a lot of this. Because Adam doesn't have a way to like just automatically convert. Like, you can't like just automatically convert tabs for some reason. Line breakers. Alright, yeah, because of that, yeah. It's all good. I really should use something other than Atom sometime. Atom, I've just been running into a lot of issues with. Like, there's a broken plugin on my other machine that just makes anything that exists in Atom, yeah, like Atom, like anytime you create a new file, Atom thinks the entire thing is a syntax error, and that doesn't go away or rescan or anything until you've closed and reopened the file. The reason you want to avoid VS Code? No, I should honestly just use VS Code. Like, my main thing with, like, my main hang-up with VS Code is just having, yeah, like, my main thing with VS Code is I don't want an entire, like, IDE as much as I want just, like, something I can quickly do, like, text editing stuff in, you know? Yeah, like, I really should, like, just use VS Code instead. Why? I do have VS Code on here, yeah. VS Code's just a text editor. Ah, alright, yeah. I'll look into it then. Yeah, I should... Right, I made this whole, like, pixel script that I'm still really proud of. I should definitely, like, put that somewhere more permanent. Yeah, dialogue, and neutral. Yeah, robots are... Visual Studio's the ID, okay, yeah. No, honestly. Let me just quickly look over, like, Gen intro, like, Plugins for VS Code do make it start acting more like an ID, but you can skip a lot of that by not installing them or turning off that behavior. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, I should just switch to VS Code, honestly. Huh. Yeah, any specific art models you know? Models you need? And just bullet and bullet. 827, okay, yeah. I think when it hits 8:30, I'm gonna, like, just, finish up writing all this and, like, carry it over into the Soul and Silicon, like, area. Like, carry it into, like, the Soul and Silicon, like, GB Studio environment, just so I can, like, get it all, like, into a build for, like, people to actually check out, because it's been ages since I've made, like, a build with a lot of new content in it. Dialogue, air. Pretty sad. Shy. Neutral's fine. And I'll, like, vary up some of these, like, expressions in engine and such, but yeah. Not this time. As far as I know. I don't think. Not this time, I don't think. Yeah. Any environmentals you know you need? Not this time, I don't think. As long as we... Yeah, as I have them in work. We be friend person I'm making, yeah, and the person I'm making this with. One character. No. Once. Shit. Building this. Me being the other, yeah, we being me and the other person building this. I wish I could have quotes around that. We, there. And bullet, bullet, bullet. Oh yeah, can you not escape quotes? No, no, that's not the issue. The issue is that I'm out of, I'm out of characters. Yeah. Yeah, like, there wasn't enough room in the dialogue box. Yeah, out of space. Yeah, forgot about that, yeah, it is 8:33, so I think I am gonna start carrying this all over, so... Alright. Let's start carrying this over, so... Let me just check stuff, so, you know, big one too, no, this should actually, I'm gonna say chapter 3. So yeah, 0 is the start, then you... I'm gonna... Chapter 1. Instead of doing increments just so it's easier for me to, like, parse through everything, then you at the end of this increment, so... You set chapter to 2. Yeah, then chapter 3 is after the big one. Alright, then after that and like the first round of meeting everyone, then you go on to chapter 4. So this will happen in chapter 4. So... or actor set position, I'll say Jen. Wait, no, you stay here. There, yeah. You stay there, then set position. Alright, yeah, then there. Alright, then... So... Vertical first. Oh yeah. And dialogue. Add avatar, alright, so. What am I using for Jen right now? Torch, okay. Definitely need to, like, get proper dialogue sprites and such for Jen, but yeah. Yeah, dialogue. Set, pick the... Okay. Menu. Dash. Dash. Yeah. Both. Or, you know, no, 4 option. Either. None. Twin Sasha, both none. Yeah, that's right, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, Everything neutral up here. You know, I shouldn't say pretty alright so far there, because... Pretty alright. And... Which? No. Oh. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 4, okay. Dialogue. 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 Ah. Alright, and get that. Oh. I get that, yeah. Oh wait, no, these don't have avatars. That's why there's more room. Neutral. Alright. Right then, so that's all in case O. In case 1. 1, 2, 4 again. I don't know why that extra A was there. Pretty neutral and nope. Or torch and arity torch and right. There. And there. There. Sounds like I have to do for all this. Don't push yourself too hard. Ah. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. I didn't switch over to GB Studio. Yeah, no, I've been implementing all this back over in GB Studio. Right then, values 2. Two boxes there. Right, Alright. There. This is why I need GBS Toolkit. So then, neutral, torch, dirty neutral, torch, and 3. And 2, 2, 2. All right. Yeah. I made it. Only up any charge today. More capacity and break range. Alright. And avatars. Oop, Lemma's glowing, yeah. Hello, Katten. Yeah, I've had like a glowing thing for a while actually. Like, I've switched over to a new system that does glowing. That's good, yeah. Alright, then after all that, I should quickly grab the, like... Oh yeah, you don't have it yet. Does this tricky? Yes, this one does. Copy event. You also can't, like, paste into a block which doesn't already have something in it, which sucks. Yeah. Then after that, dialogue time again. 2 boxes. Torch. Dialogue, so 1, 4. Now I can add parity neutral. Dialogue. 2 boxes. Sounds good, yeah. Right, then one here. Yeah. Probably shouldn't do that yet, but... Right, yeah. Back cuties, hello Jinyu, great to see ya. Got dinner, nice. Log. And neutral. Sounds good. Let me search and right. And quickly, so this is all accessible. Gonna do instead of that is dialogue. bug. Itch. Yeah. Chapter 2. Yeah. Game 2. Menu. This will just directly set chapter and decrement by 1 chapter. Or no, this should be and if compare with value, no, which chapter when 1 or no, I'm just gonna do 2 compares. Compare with value for chapter equal to 1. So for chapter, yeah, so 5 to default BG1, okay. No, so 4 library sunset, 5 default BG1, okay. Then compare with value greater than or equal to 3 chapter parity, yeah. Yep. And oh yeah, that's all set up then. Oh yeah, over back in the junkyard I show. Hello, nope, not yet. Okay, reconnection successful! Alright, theoretically, I'm back now. Hi! Yay! Wee! Welcome back, yeah, thank you, yeah, I don't fucking know what happened, but, what I do know is that, my internet provider has been pulling some bullshit recently. Thank you for the hydrate and posture check, and stretch. And most importantly, yeah, Okay. Yeah, that should... Alright, yeah. I'm gonna... Alright, yeah, before we go... Yeah, because we are hitting like 9 o'clock now, so... Let's get this playing just like see one more time through. Does it have to recompile everything again? Jesus. Alright, because I did like the dump engine stuff. Even though I didn't edit it all. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I'm gonna delete that just because I'm not using it, so. Alright. That's 9 o'clock alarm. I will be wrapping up soon. Just want to get through this to see how it goes, alright? Chapter 4. That should have changed my sprite. Hello? Oh, I picked less than or equal, not greater than or equal. Okay. I'm gonna rerun that then. This is going to take forever again. Oh wait, no, it didn't. Yay, finally. Actually cached the engine. Yeah. Yep. Right, yay! Now that we're in chapter 4... Oh! I forgot to set visible, so I can just... I'm gonna just bump that in quick, so... Oh boy, this is gonna be fun to put in, just... This why I made GPS Toolkit. Alright. Yay, chapter set. Oh. Yay. Might want to have it so like Arity will be in the center, but yeah, this is good. Yeah. Doing pretty alright. Yeah, pick you've seen today for dialogue. I'll say, I'll say both. I've hung out with a couple friends. Sounds like it's been a busy day for you, then. Still got the battery to hang out right now? Yeah, I've still got plenty of charge today. I think I have more capacity than pre-changed. Oh, huh, nice. I don't like how it says pre-changed. I'm gonna comment... This sounds weird, but character limits... Ah! Oh, nice. Maybe I should try turning in... Yeah, maybe I should try turning into a robot. Anyway, you still need some parts, yeah? Just a couple servos won't get you too far. Yeah, there's still a lot of stuff I need. Sensors are the big category right now. Biped body needs tons of input to work. Sight, sound, balance, touch, temperature... Yeah, robots are complicated as hell, honestly. Any specific part models you know you need? Not this time, I don't think. As long as I have them, we can work it out. As long as I have them, we can work it out. We being me and the other person building this. Sounds good. Let me help you search then. Oh shit, Nikki, hello! Good to see you. Welcome, Raiders. Hope y'all are having a good time. For those of y'all joining in for the first time, I'm Lemma. I'm a chubby robot VTuber who both makes and plays games on stream. Right now I am working on Soul and Silicon, a queer and trans dating simulator for the Game Boy Color. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I am getting close to wrapping up just because I am getting a bit tired, but yeah. Hi. Yeah. Adaptive lighting is great. Yeah, adaptive lighting is really cool. Yeah. So, anything else I can do right now? I do need to, at the end of this, like, unlock the camera. Yeah. Yeah, you know, actually, I think I'm gonna... Or, relock the player, yeah. So, how about, so I'm gonna go back up here. Like, let me just throw down, like, just random actor here, okay, so yeah, but that's where Erity's gonna go. Alright, yeah, that's where Erity goes, yeah? Yep. Yeah. That's a lot more centered, yeah. Oh. Thank you for the hydrate, posture check, and stretch, dude. Yeah, then I'm gonna get Erity out of there. Or no, this not Erity, but yeah. Yeah, yeah. Let me quickly check dialogue review. That puts us over the 5,000... That's over 5,000 words in engine. God, that makes me really happy, honestly. Yeah, like, just the fact that I have gotten 5,000 words of dialogue into the engine. Yeah. Yeah, I think then... I should... Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is, if... Yeah, no, I think I'm just gonna put down, like, a debug, so, like... Sprite sheet... Yeah, there. Then... I think I'm gonna put a bit more of the, dialogue in here, so... So, compare with value. Hide self. Yeah, then interact. Gonna have Jen move to... Yeah. Oh. So there, yeah. Now, I'm gonna... Yeah, I've got, like, a lot of leftover dialogue stuff, so... Yeah, a lot of extra dialogue that... Yeah, yeah. I've got a lot of, like, leftover dialogue for, like, this scene that I'm just gonna throw onto the debug object. But yeah. So, torch. Oh, by the way... Right then. Dialogue. Already said. Dialogue. Two of them, okay. Just putting in some dialogue I've had left over for a while now. Oh. Torch. I'm just gonna, like, throw a few of these in here. Surprise. Yeah, no, I've just... Yeah, I've had, like, a ton of, like, just, dialogue laying around that I haven't implemented yet. And, okay. Then, dialogue. Narrative shy. Dialogue. Already, let's say shy again, yeah. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, yeah. F 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Dialogue. 1, 2, 3. Right. And dialogue. Yeah, thank you for lurking, Ziona. I'm not going to be streaming too much longer, but yeah, good to have you here. Dialogue. Dialogue. And turn up the torch still. Alright. Then a prize. Or then dialogue. Right, parody. Two. Alright, so 1, 2, 4 boxes for the next one. Dialogue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Icon for now. Dialogue. Oh, dialogue. These are gonna be with sad. Then 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Torch. Three. 4. 5. 6. And dialogue. Gonna be with Sky. Dialogue. Torch. 2 lines. And dialogue. Parody plush. Emote. Bubble. Your music, which is then dialogue. Shy. Alright. Alright, that is all of that. That's all that text, so let's run through it, and then I think I'm gonna wrap up. Alright then. Set to chapter 4. Oh hey, good to see you again. How's your day been so far? It's been pretty alright. Oh! That was... Yeah, Jinyu, thank you very much for the host, I really appreciate it. So let's go with, like, Sasha's this time. Went to the park with a friend this morning. The one over by Magic... The one over by Magic Eye, you mean? I spend a night or two there every so often. Yeah, it's nice and cozy to hang out in. That's missing a line. Let me just... Yeah, like, that's definitely missing, like, a line. Great. Great. Place to go when... Yeah. Great place to... Yeah, it's... Really good. Yeah. Good place. Oops. Yeah, I'm just making a couple dialogue changes. Oh. Yeah, so now it says, the park over by Magic Eye, you mean? It's a really good place. I spend a night or two there every so often. Yeah, it's nice and cozy to hang out in. And cops never really hit it either. Anyway, you still need some parts, yeah? Just a couple servos won't get you too far. Yeah, there's still a lot of stuff I need. Sensors are the big category right now. A biped body needs tons of input to work. Sight, sound, balance, touch, temperature. Yeah, robots are complicated as hell, honestly. Any specific part models you know you need? Not this time, I don't think. As long as I have them, we can work it out. We being me and the other person building this. Sounds good. Let me help you search then. Alright, then you go over this way, and it didn't show for some reason. Oh, because I said local 0 not equal to 4, not chapter like 4. Okay. Gotta relaunch that, and while I do that, I'm just gonna quickly make the, like, new dialogue changes. Yeah. Ah. Alright. Run again! Alright, going through... Chapter 4. Yep, all this. I'm pretty alright. Met a friend at the library earlier. Oh, neat. I haven't been in ages. Were you studying something or just chilling? He was teaching me how to design circuits. Chatted about a couple other things too. Missing a comma. Sounds like you have a lot to... Sounds like you have a lot to do for all this. Don't push yourself too hard, okay? And go through this again. Alright, then over here. Ah. Okay, that probably should be routed out better, but it's fine for now. Oh, by the way. Yeah, like, this is just all temp, so it's fine. Oh, by the way. Any luck with picking a name? Not yet, really. No need to rush it. Names are super tough. Plus, you just realized it recently, yeah? Realize... what? That you're trans. What? I mean, aren't you? Don't meet many nameless folk who aren't. I wasn't supposed to become a girl. It was an accident. How so? So, a couple days ago I went to 7 Stars, and I found this robot named Demiurge. It's got a knack for hacking people. Oh, actually that's a story. Yeah, that's an inconsistency that I should rewrite. I'm not gonna do that tonight because it's already getting to be like 9:30. But yeah. Actually, I'm gonna, you know, I can redo it quick. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna, like, quickly rewrite this. I got a bit more... yeah. Able to do things. Yeah. Have been able to do more things. Yeah. In a day recently. Yeah, I've been able to do more in a day recently is what I'm gonna change it to. And instead of saying you've still got the battery to hang out now, you've still got the energy to hang out now. And then I'm gonna take out the quip of maybe I should try turning into a robot. Where is it? Just quickly doing this in the background. Yeah. And oh, nice. Things are getting easier for you. Yeah, nice. Glad things are getting easier for you. Yeah, that sounds a lot better. Alright, yeah. It's got a knack for hacking people. Well, it's got a knack for hacking overall, but it can hack people too. I asked it to hack me to make me less sad, but it ended up turning me into a robot girl. Huh. Wouldn't expect a knack to mess up like that. They're supposed to help folks after all. Me neither, but here I am, I guess. How do you feel about the robot part? I guess it's alright? Couple weird things with this font that I might want to change up, like the R is just too tall. I think, yeah. Definitely gonna make a couple tweaks, but yeah. Guess it's alright. It's kind of weird having to charge instead of eat. And all the network stuff is so noisy. Makes sense. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Hey, you know that I'm trans myself, right? You are? The flavor of it, yeah. Usual boy-girl split isn't really for me. I'm fine with being called either, but I'm kinda on the outside of it all, you know? I think that makes sense. I haven't really thought about gender before. So having mine suddenly changes a lot. Well, did it? Your body changed. Did your gender change with it? Or is it the same as before? I don't know. Just really don't know. Well, that's alright. Well, that's alright. Well, that's alright. I didn't know for ages. Yeah, I didn't know for ages. It took a miracle for me to figure mine out. Maybe this'll help you figure out yours, too. If you ever want to talk to me about it, just give me a call, okay? Yeah, thank you, Jen. Thank you so much. No problem. You don't deserve all this stress. You're too cute for that. Cute? People keep saying that. Yeah, there. I am happy with how that goes. Dialogue review, 5,528 words. I am really happy with that. Ah, thank God. Like, yeah, I'm really just super happy with how all of this is going so far. I'm glad I'm getting back into the flow of it. It was really, really hard there for a while, but it's good to be back. Anyway, I should probably wrap up now. It's like 9:30 and I've still got to, like, do, like, the build and the changelog and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up for now. Let's head on over. If you're for getting back to it, Lemo, thank you, Non. Yeah, that really means a lot. Anyway. Pulling up Twitch. Okay. Ooh. Niall's live playing Warframe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head over to her, honestly. Yeah, yeah, I am really happy with how this is going. Thank you all for hanging out. We're just gonna do, how about, I wish I could do the smug one with this, but that's a tier 2, and I don't actually think that I have anyone in my chat who's a tier 2, so, yeah. Gonna go with a punk raid. I'm gonna make one for myself. Yeah. Raid. Wani, Miko, Niall. Yeah, thank you all so very much for watching, hanging out, joining in. Thank you, Nikki, for the raid. I really appreciate it. Yeah, and just today's been good. I'm really happy with everything I got done. Tomorrow I'm gonna be trying out a cool new game that released just a couple days ago titled Moonglow Bay. It looks really interesting and I'm excited to see how it goes. Yeah, hope y'all are having hope y'all had a good time. Thank you all for hanging out, and when you get over to Niles, please don't forget to drop her a follow because she's great and I love her. But yeah, with that, I am gonna send y'all on over. So why don't we get this raid started in 5, 4,